Yeah.
Young
Danny B on the remix.
Oh, na na na.
Let go.
Oh, na na na.
Let go.
Chilling with Shawty. Hey, I'm chilling with Shawty. Say, I'm chilling with Shawty. Oh. Say, I like the way you roll. Say, I like the way you roll. Say, I like the way you roll. You know you drive me crazy. You know you drive me crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. I've missed you all so much. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite types of hairstyles. You all know I love doing crochet anything. So today we're going to be doing crochet faux locs. I haven't done faux locs in a while, and these are the Natural Born Locks by Janet Collection. I got mine in color 1B. I also got mine in length 18, but I believe that they also come in length 24, and these are open loop faux locs. When you take them out of the package, they do come on this little tie. I would highly recommend leaving them on the tie just to make sure that they're all together and to keep them organized. This is the texture. They look so much like real dreads or locks, especially with how narrow these are. This is actually the first time that I'm trying faux locs that are this size. So right now I'm just taking down my natural hair. I had it in about 4 or 5 large braids. I'm going to take that down and begin working on my braid pattern. Now for this particular braid pattern, I'm not going to do individual faux locs all over my head. I am going to do some individual, but then in other places I'm going to do some illusion braids and also some cornrows straight, well, not even straight back. I kind of just mixed it up just to make sure that I got the braid pattern that I like. Now, what I recommend prior to beginning your braid pattern is to decide where you want your part. I decided I wanted a side part, and so my braid pattern is kind of centered around the type of parting that I wanted. So after creating my side part, I decided to start by creating individual braids, and I knew that I wanted to be able to do a half up, half down style. I didn't really desire to be able to pull my hair all the way up in the back, so I didn't worry about the back area, but I am going to do individuals around the front parameter. I'm also going to do individual braids right where my part is on both sides to ensure that my cornrows are concealed under, and you guys will just be able to watch this process. It's kind of hard to explain, and I didn't actually show the entire braiding process because this video would have been so long, but you guys will see the full braid pattern once I'm finished. So I'm just going to let you all watch. Hopefully it all makes sense, y'all, because I did not know what I was going to do before I started. But we just kind of got it together, and I can't believe it turned out so well. But yeah, guys, I would also recommend using less jam. That helped me so much with my parting and also making sure that my hair looked nice and sleek. Manipulating my hair with that less jam was so much better. I didn't feel as much tension. It was just the truth. So if you guys have not tried that, be sure to use that when you're doing any type of box braids or faux locs or anything like that. It makes a world of difference, trust me. Alright, now that I finished the braid pattern, this is what it looks like. So I have some individuals where my edges are, right where the part is. I have 3 on one side and 4 on the other. And under those plaits, I did do cornrows. And as you can see, I did not go straight back. My cornrows are a bit curved, which helped it to look more natural. And I was also sure to do a plait right where my ear is, so that when I pulled my hair up, it would look natural and conceal those cornrows and look like it was actual real locks. On the side, that's the largest. Behind my individual braids, I did connect some of my cornrows, as you all can see. And I'm just gonna do a full spin just to show you guys exactly what it looks like. It's just really hard to explain. But if you are someone who desires to pull your hair up in the back, I'd highly recommend doing some individuals along the nape area so that you'd be able to pull it up and those cornrows won't actually show. All right, now it's time for the fun part, installing our crochet faux locs. I will say that the loop that these faux locs come with is rather small, especially compared to any of the other faux locs that I've used, but these are the smallest, so it's kind of to be expected. I decided to start with the front of my hair first because that section required more time and attention because I did have the individual braids up there. So after pulling the needle through and after getting the faux loc under your braid, you're going to take your 2 fingers and you're going to pull the braid and the faux loc through the loop and then tighten it. After you've done this, I actually thought I'd be able to just uncoil the lock and wrap it around my braid, but y'all, that did not work. So don't even attempt that method. These are too small and it's going to be a hot mess, so don't even go that route. So I did have to actually take my crochet needle, insert it in the hollow part of the lock, and then go up the lock and then begin pulling my braid through. I would recommend when pulling your ends through to apply edge control or more of the Let's Jam. That's going to help you to be able to get it through that hollow part so much better. And also, don't try to do this process all at once. You're going to have to kind of break it up in increments depending on how long your hair is. I did have to do this process 3 times to ensure that the length of my hair was fully covered. And then after you've completed the process, you're going to tug on the lock and then kind of coil it around your finger just to make sure it's nice and sealed. Right now, I'm going to show you all an easier method in order to open up that loop. So you just take a rat tail comb and use the very end, go through the loop, and then pull it apart with your fingers. That way you can get your 2 fingers through that loop much easier.
Brian Little.
Yoga.
I also want to mention that when you pull your braid through the faux loc, be sure to hold the ends of your hair when you're pulling it through. That's going to help it to go through that lock much better as well.
tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, 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 let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay.
Alright, so it's the next day, and this is how I preserved my hair overnight with this protective headband. After taking it off, I was super excited to see the final look. I also applied a satin scarf to the front, so I'm just removing that now. And you can leave the locks as is. It looks really natural this way, but I did decide to add some edge control, and I'm going to show you all the edge control that I used. I'm not really a fan of it. It was my first time trying it. And it's just been so hard to find a really good edge control. If you all have any recommendations, then be sure to share them down below. I need something that doesn't eventually give me a white cast, and this kind of did. I had to add more of the Let's Jam in that area and some gel to kind of help. It still looks good, but I feel like I could find something that is much better. But these faux locs turned out so well. I love that they're super lightweight. I did end up using 7 packs, but I feel like you could get away with 6 if you don't want it as full in the back. And these faux locs do come in different colors, but I just love the color 1B. These locks do have a natural luster, but I feel like they would just look better and better over time. And I was gonna stop the video here because this install just turned out so amazing, but who would I be if I did not show you guys some styles? Because I know the people want to see some styles. So right now I'm gonna do some styles. Let me know which one is your favorite. Let's get to it now.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
You're a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can fit you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you.
No,
They
isn't this head wrap look so bomb? I asked my husband and he's so funny. He was like, it's different. And I'm like, are you serious? It is amazing. And I didn't even know what I was doing. I was literally just playing around with looks and it turned out like this. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you have not already. I love you guys. Check the description. All the links and specifications for these faux locks will be provided down there. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.